Good morning to all. So in the previous video, we discussed about the trigonometric ratio of complementary angles concept video. So now we will discuss about in this video the above concept, the trigonometric ratio of complementary angle concept based on there's a 4 different types of problems. Okay. So now see the first one problem. Okay. Evaluate the solutions. Sin of 36 degree divided by cos 54 degree minus sin 54 degree divided by cos 36 degree. So evaluate. That's how one types of problems. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now here how to find the sin 36 degree, sin 54 degree, just will verify. But we know the formula sin 30 degree, sin 45 degree, sin 60 degree, okay, sin 90 degree. Formula only we know that values. But here what's the how to find it? Sin 36 degree, 54 degree. These are unknown values. Okay. So how to find? So we know that complementary angle definition means sum of the two angles equal to 90 degrees. So we know the definition of complementary angle. Same way, here the first one sum. Okay. First one. What's the given? Okay. Solution of first one given. What's the given? Sin of 36 degree. Here sin 36 degree by cos 54 degree, okay, minus sin 54 degree cos 36 degree. It's clear? Cos 36 degree. Here I will simply change here sin 36 degree. Here what's the value? 36 degree. So one value should be 36 degree. So what's the complementary angle concept? X plus y is equal to 90 degree. We know the definition. Sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degree. So one value is we assume that what value? First value 36 degree. So I will find out x plus 36 degree equal to what value equal? 90 degree equal. Okay. So what's the other one? Let's say x is equal to 90 minus 36 is equal to what's the value? 54 degree. Is clear? Up here this 36 degree I will small change sin of 90 minus 54. Is it possible? This is 36 degree. I will reduce sin of 90 minus 54. Sin of 90 minus 54, you will simplify 36 degree. So, do not change the sign value. Here, that 36 degree, just 90 degree, I will subtract what's the remaining 54 degree. So, here sin 36, I will change sin of 90 minus 54. Just will subtract 90 minus 54 equal to 36. Okay, divided by, so denominator also same way. Here cos of 54 degree. Is clear? Next minus, so numerator only change. No, denominator no problem, you will change. So any one change. But one part numerator or denominator, any one you will change. So here I will change the denominator value. Here sin of 54 degree divided by cos 36 degree. Same way you find out cos of 36 degree. So 90 minus 36 here. 90 minus 36 same way 54. Over here cos 36 degree I will change 90 minus 54. Okay. So we know the formula sin of 90 minus theta. We know the formula sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Is clear? Similarly cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. We know the formula. Is clear? Same way here apply sin of 90 minus theta. Theta value here 54 degree. Sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Here you will choose the theta. What do you mean? Sin of 90 minus 54. That's the meaning of cos 54 degree. Okay? Divided by again denominator value cos 54 degree minus sin 54 degree divided by cos of 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. But here theta. What's the here theta value? 54 degree. Our cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin. Okay, 90 minus 54. That's the meaning 54 degree. Is clear? That's why we cancel. What remaining? That's the value of here simplify 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. That's the evaluate of first one. Okay. Same the similar second sum. Okay. What's the second sum? The given question is what are the given? Sin 35 degree. Okay, sin 55 degree. Next minus cos 35 degree. Again cos 55 degree. Okay, cos 55 degree. Is clear? Now just to find out. Same. Here the both values will be multiple. So in small change, any one you will change. Fully what is new? Sin 35, sin 55. You will change. You will change the cos term. Otherwise, cos term in every two term you will change the sin term. I will choose any one term you will change. But here sin of 35 degree. What you will change? Okay, just to think about 90 minus 35. What will remain? 90. Here 35 value only. Here 90. Here 35. Just to think about what remaining? 55 degree. Is clear? But here this 35 degree I will change sin of. Okay, sin of 90 minus 55. It's possible. 35 degree. Okay, I will say sin of 90 minus 55. So 90 minus 55 you will subtract, you will get 35 degree. Is clear? Next again, sin of 55 degree into sin of 55 degree. So 90, so 55. You will subtract, what's the value? 35 degree. Okay, so here the 55 degree, I will change 90 minus 35 degree. Is clear? Similarly, remaining the same way, cos of 35 degree into cos 55 degree. As this one. So sin of 90 minus theta, you know the formula cos theta. About what you will here 55 degrees will be theta. That's the meaning here. About cos of 55 degree. Next step here cos of 35 degree. Okay, minus cos of 35 degree, cos 55 degree. Okay, the both values will be cancelled not in conclusions. 0. Okay, this is a positive negative solution cancelled. Values will be 0. Understood? Now, same way, take one problem. What's the given take one problem? See the given. Okay, given. What are the values are given? Cot 12 degree. See cot 12 degree. Cot 38 degree. Okay, cot 52 degree. Cot 52 degree. Again cot 60 degree. Cot 60 degree. Next cot 70 degree. Cot 78 degree. Is clear? So now cot 12, cot 38, cot 52, cot 60, cot 70 degree. Is clear? But we know the value of cot 60 degree. We know that cot 60 degree. We know the value of denominator value. What's the tan 60 degree value? Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Cot 60 degree 1 by root 3. So we know that the cot 60 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. What's the remaining? You don't know. So remaining how many values will come? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 values are multiple. So if you change any 2, okay? If you change the any 2, why do you will change the any 2 means? Here the first 2 cot term I will change the tan term means here tan theta into cot theta. What's the value? That's the value should be 1. What is the meaning of the definition is? Here tan theta into cot theta I will change 1 by tan theta. Okay, it's equal to 1. Otherwise tan theta will change 1 by cot theta is equal to 1. So I will change the first 2 value. This is tan 12. I will change cot 12 degree. I will change tan. Here cot 10 degree. I will change the tan of cot 10. Automatically 2 will change. Okay, easy to find. Just will find out. Here cot 12 degree only. Here cot of. Just will find out 90 cot 12. So 90 minus 12. That's the meaning 78. Cot of. Just will subtract 90 minus 48. 12 degree. Next cot 30 degree. Here you will change. Okay, cot 90. Okay, minus 52. You will change cot of 90 minus 52. We get 30 degree value. Next similarly same way. Here into cot of 52 degree into cot 60 degree. What's the cot 60 degree? 1 by root 3. Next similar case cot 78 degree. Okay. So here cot of 90 minus theta, we know the formula. Cot of 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Okay. Same way, here cot of 90 minus 78 is equal to tan 78 degree. Okay, next same way tan 52 degree is clear. Again the cot of 52 degree into 1 by root 3 into cot 78 degree is clear. Same way here tan 78 degree cot 78 degree. You will just simplify tan 78 degree. I will change 1 by cot 78 degree into same 1 by cot 52 degree. Okay, similarly same way cot 52 degree into 1 by root 3 again cot 78 degree. That's clear. So cot 52 52 cot 78 cot 78. What remaining only 1 by root 3. That's the value of 1 by root 3. This is one type of problems. Okay. So same way type 2 problems. You'll watch the second video. Thank you.